friends, welcome back to Simple Living Mummy channel. This is Gauri. Today you are going to see my entryway table redeco video. Many videos I have posted in my channel. Suppose if you haven't seen that video, I will post the link below and also icon above. So you all go and see that video. Now let's go and get started. Many of you all see in my videos that my entryway is too small and that passage is directly connected to my living room. So in one side I just keep that shoe rack. So this one only I'm going to redecorate today. So this is the shoe rack I told you. So shoe rack, it's coming with that and inside 4 shelf, and also here is the drawer. So in the countertop I'm going to redecorate, and also in the wall also I'm just decor with some frame and also mirror. I'm going to cover it with some frame. So it's not we cannot leave it like that because it's not looks nice. So for that I'm going to use this DIY frame. Even last time also I have used this one only. So same thing I'm going to this time also. I just keep it over here like this. In case if you want to open this one, so we can just take it out and we can open. So that's what I'm just keep it like this only. your thoughts comment section below and make sure to subscribe my channel. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, take care. Bye bye.